Hey, this is Mark, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day. So do you have a camera that you've had for like 6 months or maybe even a year? Or like me, I've got cameras I've had 4 or 5 years. Did you know that you need to update sometimes the firmware of your camera? So if you've had a camera, if it's been 6 months since you've checked, when this video's over, go online and make sure that you have the most current firmware for your camera. I'll tell you what, I got an older, a couple-year-old Sony camera. I updated the firmware, and you know what? My batteries all of a sudden are lasting twice as long. They fixed something, I don't know what it was, but this happens all the time with our camera gear. So if you own a camera, right now when this video gets done, go online, search your camera right now with firmware and make sure you have the most current firmware for your camera. This is Mark, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day.